Oh, these are the red spinach. In India, it's called amaranth, but we know it red spinach or red vegetables. To take preparation for cooking this red spinach, first of all, we are unfolding the rope and we will take preparation for cutting this spinach. We are taking preparation for cutting this red spinach or red vegetables, and I'm putting some parts and I'm separating this and I'm taking which is possible to cut at the same time or together. Oh, first of all, I will separate the root part of this spinach. I'm taking the seeds, and here after cutting the red spinach, I will put the square part of red spinach into the seeds. Here, first of all I'm cutting the root parts of the spinach, and I'm dropping this away from here. And the part which will be cooked, it will be kept inside the seeds. Okay, I'm cutting the spinach. Just wait for a few minutes. Within short time, we completed our cutting of this part. Okay, it has been cut. The leafy parts of this spinach has been cut by the owner of belallanguageschool. Okay, I'm cutting the leafy part of red spinach or amaranth or red vegetables. Okay, it has been cut down. And finally, the part, it will be cut later. And now I'm peeling the garlic. When you will pour the garlic or you will mix the garlic to the red spinach, the spinach will be delicious. And you can understand and you can taste the deliciousness after eating. And I'll cook it. You just wait for a few minutes. I'm peeling the garlic. After peeling this, it will be chopped into a with this square shape, and this is a square shape, and it will be poured or it will be mixed with spinach at the time of frying. Okay, now just wait. We are moving to wash this red spinach. Okay, now we are going to wash the red spinach or red vegetables. The spinach has been moving to wash it properly. Okay, you can be washed for 2 or 3 times so that no dust will be available with this spinach. The leafy parts of this spinach are being rubbing properly. It has been pressed out to remove the dust from the spinach or leafy parts of spinach. Okay, now it will be lifted after completion of washing. Okay, the washing of this leafy red spinach has been completed. Now it's ready to cook. And now we will wait for a few minutes to separate the water from these red vegetables. Our stove is also ready. Now it will be switched on or light on the stove. We are lighting on the stove. It doesn't work. Now it has worked properly. The frying pan is being heated for few seconds. Now the water is being drying up from the pan. The oil has been poured and it has been stirring, holding the burr. Now the onion has been poured over the frying pan. Okay, the paste of ginger has been poured with or over the frying pan with the onion. And the mixing of ginger and onion are being stirred so that it can mix with it properly, and it will increase the deliciousness of the frying red spinach. It will be fried until the onion, ginger, and mixing of both will be turned into brown color. Okay, the onion, garlic, and paste of ginger has been fried. Now the green chili has been poured over it. To mix with it, we are stirring it. We are hearing the sound of frying. This very fantastic. The sound is very good. Okay, now the leafy red vegetables or peanuts will be poured over it, and it will be mixed by stirring. Okay, it has been mixed right now. We are waiting for a few seconds, and something we will see in changing in the frying pan. Now the salt has been mixed with it to increase its deliciousness. Again, it has been stirring up so that everything or spices can mix with the red spinach. We will pour a handful peanuts one after another. When some poured will be mixed up with, and it will be decreases the leafy parts of this red spinach. Then we will pour again a handful red spinach or cut handful red spinach. Now it has been mixed with each other. It will be stirred up and it will be cooked for 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will be fit for serve, or it will be suitable to serve. And we are waiting for till then. Now the spinach curry is ready to serve. And in the middle, we have stirred this up for 3 or 4 times at the time of boiling. It's ready now. It will be served. Now the spinach curry is ready to serve. It has been boiled properly. We are switching the stove off. Okay, now it will be served. A spoon has been taken and some part of the curry has been taken out from the frying pan, and it has been kept on the serving pot. And I hope that you will come here to eat this spinach with rice. Thank you for watching this video.